Sometimes I tend to get caught up in the negative. Sometimes it's hard to break through. And sometimes I only see the worst in all the things, but I don't stay in the blue. When the world is getting dull, I wanna hide under the covers. Uh-oh, uh-oh. So I put on a color, makes me happy like no other. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Yellow, my heart feels warmer when I see the color yellow. She's walking down the street, she's got that glow like hello. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. And she's like lemons and sunflowers by Van Gogh. Yellow, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, yellow, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Sometimes I think of a sunflower free, standing up, strong face in the sun like it should. You know I'm focusing on love, attraction, and you know I'm feeling beautiful too. When the world is getting dull, I wanna hide under the covers. Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh. So I put on a color, makes me happy like no other. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Yellow, my heart feels warmer when I see the color yellow. She's walking down the street, she's got that glow like hello. Uh-oh, uh-oh, whoa-oh. And she's like lemons and sunflowers by Van Gogh. Oh, yellow, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Yellow, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Yellow, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Yellow, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. She's a boss, slaying with the future so bright. She never gets sleep, she's on a red-eye flight, with the Tarte palette made for you and me. Girls supporting girls, that's what I wanna see. Oh, yellow, my heart feels warmer when I see the color yellow. She's walking down the street, she's got that glow like hello. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. She's like lemons and sunflowers by Van Gogh. Oh, yellow, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. She's got that yellow, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, yellow, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. And she's like lemons and sunflowers by Van Gogh. I want to thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. I know it was a little bit rough because there was a lot of bugs and some different noises happening, and literally the bugs were eating me alive while I was singing the whole song. So hopefully it didn't turn out too bad. Also, I just moved, so I didn't unpack my mic yet, so hopefully the audio wasn't terrible. There's so many bugs. So if you guys like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you could tweet it to Adelaine, that would make me so happy. I've been watching her videos for literally so many years, and she's just such like a positive influence, and I don't know, her videos just like, they just make you smile because she's just so happy all the time. So if you guys could tweet this to her, that would mean a lot to me. And let me know in the comments down below if there's any other YouTuber covers you guys want to see. I know it's been a hot minute since I've done one, but I will link the playlist down below for you guys if you want to check out some of my other YouTuber covers, which, you know, they're out there. So, oh my god, there's hairs in my eyes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Sorry for all like the mess ups and the flies and the bugs, and I'm covered in bug bites probably now, but yeah, it would make me happy if you would like this video, subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. I also do a lot of lifestyle and DIY stuff. I have a vlog channel, I have a music channel, all that stuff is just linked down below, so make sure you go check it out. Oh my god, the flies. Okay, I gotta go. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Bye!